Number 19. The graph shows the response of the body to vaccination. Which word should be used to replace the letter X to complete the label on the y-axis? This one. Okay. Right. Well, as time goes by, we can see that the something concentration in the blood gets increased. Why do we take vaccination? We want to increase the number of antibodies. So antibodies are the proteins that protect your body. So after vaccination, the amount of antibody that's produced within our body gets increased. So that's how we protect ourselves by getting the vaccine shots against the viruses and pathogens, other pathogens as well. So A is the right answer for this one. Antigens are the substances that are on the surface of the disease-causing microorganisms called pathogens. Platelets are they're good things within our body. They help us to form the blood clots. So when we get injured, we immediately make the blood clots, and that's done by platelets. Of course, vaccination is not for making these platelets. It is there. We use it for making antibodies. So the answer is A.